Hey there! So today I'm going to go through the process of creating interiors for low and no content books. We use a website called Canva. I've used it a few other times in videos. Canva has a free and a pro program, but we're actually just going to use the free one because these interiors can be done fast, easy, and free. There's a couple limitations, but I'm going to show you how to get around those, and I'm going to show you how to make a couple different options for your low and no content books. If you're new to the channel or new to passive income, welcome in. Where I publish Ghostwriters, a publishing company that publishes hundreds of books on Amazon, KDP, Audible, Ingram Spark, and more. If you are looking for this sort of information, if you're looking for more content like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video, because we're constantly putting up new videos, new information. As we grow and change, we're putting up new techniques for you guys as we try it out, make sure it's worth it, and let you know. So if that's something you'd be interested in, then this channel is something you'd be interested in. So like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications so that you can get all the most up-to-date information with us. So without further ado, we're going to get into this. So we're going to go here, going to create a design and custom size. Now our designs are 6 by 9, so I do 6.125 by 9.25. I'm going to go ahead and hit that recent, and it brings us to the design page. Now, the first thing I did this in the last video, I'm going to show you again real quick. We're just going to do a plain line page. Now, that plain line page is just going to be done with text. We're going to hit body text and get it straight across. Bring that up to the top. And that's what you want. All right. So one real quick thing is you're going to switch it to a light gray and copy, and then you're going to hit Control V and paste. Now I'm going to do this, lock it in place, make sure everything is nice and aligned. Now I'm going to do this real quick, quite a few times just to fill the page out. Like you said, Control V, and just keep doing that until it's full. So real quick, I'll do that. Okay, so as you can see, I've got all these lines made identically. They're not quite perfect on the side. So all that I'm going to do is zoom in and double check that nothing is off. What I mean by that is I don't want any gaps on the side. I want the line to go straight across so that everything shows up within the margins. We go back. Now, this would be a lined page, and what you could do is just duplicate this page over and over to make the exact same design. And Canva's free program lets you do 100 pages per PDF. And at that point, it does say you can't copy it again. But what you can do is take this PDF and open it up onto a PDF merger, like the website smallpdf.com. And then you can just merge two together if you want like a larger PDF. So what I usually do is I'll do that, and then I'll go download certain pages. So I'll do 120 is usually what we do for our journals. I'll just do the first 20 pages, merge them together. Now I've got 120 pages. So I already have this lined page, so maybe I want a grid. So all right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is a grid. Now, since I've already got these lined pages already finished, I am going to take this, I'm gonna expand it all the way to the top. Forgot to hit Control V there for a second. Now, the reason I use these snap grids is because when you measure this, it comes to 7.1 millimeters wide between each line, which is college ruled, which is a fantastic way to keep track of how long your lines are. So we're going to copy this, right? And we're going to paste it one more time and twist it 90 degrees. 90. When it's at this 90 degrees, I'm going to drag it down below. I'm going to copy these lines again and paste. So you want to make sure that these lines all line right up. So then in the end, this is what your end product looks like. You have evenly placed lines. I'm going to scroll in, make sure everything looks good. The reason you want to copy it again is so you don't have to turn everything 90 degrees again. But if you didn't do that, it's not a big deal. You can just turn it again. I figured it'd be easier. And it does look good. So that is a grid. And you can use this as a grid for your interior so that somebody has like graph paper, things like that. Those are really popular. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a dotted grid, which have been really popular for bullet journals, for art, for anything like that. So real quick, I'm going to clear this up and I'm going to show you that. And then with this last one, you're honestly going to do it exactly the same way you did your lined pages. So what I did was I hit the period plus 4 spaces just to give everything like a nice even spacing. And we're going to copy and paste. Oh, right. Control V. And super easy. So we're going to copy this and I'm going to show you what the end result looks like Okay, I just copied it all the way down, made sure all of the dots line up using the snap grids, and that's it. Like I said, these are great for bullet journals, which have been super popular lately, art, other graphing type journals, things like that. However you decide to choose your niche, this is going to fit it in some way. And yeah, those are 2 other options, actually all 3 options that we've used for these low or no content books. You can use these over and over. Like I said, you can take this, download it, get your PDF files. You're going to open up something like smallpdf.com. I'll show you that real quick. And say you want 120 pages just like we. You're going to hit on this small PDF. I have a free trial just to use it here because we've already got our files already done and we reuse them for all of our journals. So what you do is merge PDF. You're going to from device. I am just dragging this over. We're going to do dot grid. We're doing 120. Because 100, like I said before, is the highest you can go with Canvas free. And then I went ahead and just highlighted the first 20 pages. What you can also do is just download 20 pages while you're duplicating the page, or just delete everything up to page 20 and download it that way. I'm going to select, and it's uploading these 2 files. We're going to merge that PDF. And there you go. You've got something that is 120 pages. You're going to change your file. And this is what it should look like here with 120 pages of the exact same thing. No issues. Now you're going to upload this file. It's PDF. It's ready to upload as the interior of your book. I hope this helps you. I hope this gives you some ideas in your business. I hope you found some value, and if you did, please go ahead and leave us a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get more content like this. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a video, and leave us a comment. Ask us questions. Let us know what you think, or give us some ideas if you want to see something specific, or if you have some questions about what certain kinds of passive income might look like for you, or how something works. Whatever you think of, I'm sure we can help you out. Just leave a comment down below, and that's going to be all for this video. So good luck, and I can't wait to see what you guys can make with this.